Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family. How about you?
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black, with no sugar or cream.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm outside.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished a really interesting novel about time travel.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. She's a golden retriever.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love to paint and draw in my free time.
What kind of music do you like?
I like all kinds of music, but my favorite is rock.
Can you teach me how to cook that dish?
Sure, I'd be happy to show you.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
What do you like to do on weekends? Yes, I'm going to
I like
visit
to
my
relax
family.
and spend time with my friends
about
and
you?
family.
How do you
Sometimes
like your
we
coffee?
go out to eat or see a
I
movie.
like it black, with no
Is there
sugar
anything
or
I
cream.
can do to help you?
What's the weather like
Actually,
today?
yes. It's sunny and
I'm a
warm
little
outside.
behind
on my work. Do you mind
you read
helping
any
me
good
with this
books lately?
project? Yes.
Do you need any
I just
assistance with
finished
that?
A really interesting novel
Yes,
about time
please.
travel. Can you
Do you
help me
have any
move this
pets?
heavy box? Yes.
Can I
have
lend you a
dog.
hand?
She's
That
a
would be
golden
great.
retriever. I could use
What's your
some help
favorite
cleaning
hobby?
up the yard. I love to paint
Is there
and
anything
draw
you
in my
need from
free
me?
time. Yes,
What kind of
I
music
could
do
use
you
some
like?
advice on this problem I'm
I
having.
like
all kinds of music.
How can
but
I
my
be of
favorite is
service?
rock.
Can
Actually,
you teach
I was
me how to
hoping you
cook
could
that
help me
dish?
organize this event. Sure, I'd be happy
Do you
to
need
show
any
you.
support right now?
What time do you
Yes,
usually go to
I'm
bed?
feeling a little overwhelmed
I
with all
usually
of
go
these
to bed
tasks.
around
10 p.m. Could you help me
What do you like
prioritize
to
them?
do
on weekends?
Can I offer you some
I like
assistance?
to relax and spend time with
Yes,
my friends
please.
and family.
I need some help
Sometimes we go
figuring
out
out
to
how
eat
to
or
use
see a
this
movie.
software.
Is there
What can I
anything
do to help you feel better?
I'm feeling a little
yes.
down today.
I'm a little
Maybe we
behind on
could
my
go
work.
for a walk
Do you
together.
mind
helping me with this project?
Can you spare a moment to talk?
Do you need any assistance with
Sure.
that?
What's on your mind? Yes, please.
How can I help you overcome
Can
this
you
obstacle?
help me move this heavy box? I'm not sure.
Can I lend you a hand?
Do you have any suggestions? That would be great.
Do you need any
I
guidance
could
or
use some
support?
help cleaning up the yard. Yes, I'm
Is
struggling
there
with this
anything
new
you need
project.
from me?
Could you provide
Yes,
some advice?
I could
use some advice on this
Are you going to the party tonight?
How can I be of
Yes,
service?
I wouldn't miss it. Actually,
Do
I
you
was
want to
hoping
grab
you
a
could
drink
help me
after work?
organize this event. Sure,
Do
that
you
sounds
need any
like a
support
great
right
idea.
now?
Are you
Yes,
free this
I'm
weekend?
feeling a little overwhelmed with
Yes,
all of these
I
tasks. What do
Could
you
you
have
help
in
me
mind? Prioritize them.
Do you want to go
Can
out
I
for
offer
dinner
you some
tonight?
assistance?
I would love
Yes,
to. Please. Where do you want to go? I need some help figuring
Do
out
you want
how
to join
use
me
this
for a movie
software.
tomorrow?
What can I do
Sounds
to help you
good.
feel better?
What time and
I'm
which
feeling
movie?
a
little down today.
Do you make breakfast?
Maybe we could go for a walk
Yes,
together. I usually make
Can you
breakfast
spare
every
a moment
morning.
to talk?
What do you
Sure.
like to make?
What's on your mind? I like to keep it
How can
simple.
I help you
I
overcome
usually
this
make
obstacle?
scrambled eggs and toast. I'm not sure. Why don't you come to
Do
the
you have
movie
any
with
suggestions?
me?
I'm
Do
sorry.
you need
I
any
already have
guidance
plans
or
tonight.
support?
Excuse me,
I'm
do you know
struggling
the
with
way
this
to the
new
nearest
project.
gas station?
Could you provide
Yes,
some advice?
sure.
Are
If you
going
keep
to
going
the party
straight on this
tonight?
road for about a mile,
Yes.
you'll see
I
it on your
wouldn't miss
left.
it.
Great,
Do you want to
thanks
grab
for
a
your
drink
help.
after work?
I was getting worried
Sure.
I might
That
run out
sounds
of
like
gas.
a great idea.
No problem.
Are you free this weekend?
You might also want to fill up your
Yes,
tank while you're
I
there,
am.
just to be safe.
What do you have in mind?
That's a good idea.
Do you want to go out
By
for
the
dinner
way,
tonight?
do you happen to know of any
I
good
would love
restaurants
to.
in the area?
Where do you want to go?
There's a great Italian
Do
place
you
just
want
a
to
few
join me
blocks
for a
from here.
movie tomorrow?
They have amazing
Sounds
pizza
good.
and pasta dishes.
What time and which movie?
Sounds delicious.
Do you make breakfast?
What's the name of the restaurant?
Yes, I usually
It's
make
called
breakfast
Luigi's.
every morning.
You can't miss
What
it.
do you
It's
like
got a
to
big
make?
red sign out front.
I like to keep it simple. I usually make scrambled eggs and toast. Why don't you come to the movie with me?
I'm sorry, I already have plans tonight.
Excuse me, do you know the way to the nearest gas station?
Yes, sure. If you keep going straight on this road for about a mile, you'll see it on your left.
Great, thanks for your help. I was getting worried I might run out of gas.
No problem. You might also want to fill up your tank while you're there, just to be safe.
That's a good idea. By the way, do you happen to know of any good restaurants in the area?
There's a great Italian place just a few blocks from here. They have amazing pizza and pasta dishes.
Sounds delicious. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Luigi's. You can't miss it. It's got a big red sign out front.